Let's learn how we will solve such an equation. As when you see this question, you might get confused on how to start this. But if you see here, there is a common thing, 3 to the power of x, 3 to the power of minus x. So immediately you should remember it is substitution. Okay, now how will we substitute it? So let me take the original equation, which is 3 dot 3 to the power of x, which means it is 3 times 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of minus x can be written as 1 by 3 to the power of x as per the laws of exponents. Okay, then I will write this as 1 by 3 to the power of x, which is equal to 4. Now you have the same ones here, 3 to the power of x here, 3 to the power of x. Now I can substitute y is equal to 3 to the power of x. So I'm just introducing a new variable. Now the equation will become 3y plus 1 over y is equal to 4. Okay. Now this is just two fractions which I can cross multiply. So that will be 3y square plus plus 1 over y is equal to 4. If you don't know the cross multiplication, there is a video in my channel. Please look at that. I have, I think, a couple of videos. Now again, here when you have a fraction, you cross multiply. So that will be 3y square plus 1 is equal to 4y. Now you bring the y to this side. So 3y square minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now you can factorize this, that you will get it as 3y square minus 1y minus 3y plus 1. So how do we factorize it? We take 3 and 1. So 3 and 1 is 3, and then you see the factors 1 and 3, and minus 1 and minus 3 will add up to minus 4. Okay, that is how we factorize it, and that is what we write over here. Now with that, you can factorize this thing further by taking y outside. So that is 3y minus 1, and here you take minus 1 outside, and then this will become 3y minus 1. Then that's equal to 0. Okay, everywhere it is equal to 0. And then 3y minus 1 and y minus 1 is equal to 0. So 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is just a normal quadratic simplification. 3y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 over 3, and here y is equal to 1. Okay, now this is not over because y is the variable which we introduced. Y is the variable which we said that, okay, y is equal to 3 to the power of x. So you will have to simplify this. You will have to say that 3 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 3, and then you need to further simplify this by putting log over here. So when you put log, you put log on both the sides. Log 3 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 3. And then x will come to the first, so x log 3 is equal to, sorry, here also right side also you will have to work with log of 1 over 3. So x log 3 is equal to log 1 over 3, and x will be equal to log 1 over 3 divided by log 3. Now this you can put into the calculator, or you can retain it like this. Same should be done for this one also.